Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the Maytag washer error code F28 on your 2025 model, you're in the right place. This pesky error can stop your laundry day in its tracks, but don't worry, we'll break it down step by step so you can get your machine up and running again quickly. First off, what exactly is the F28 error? In Maytag washers, especially the 2025 models, this code typically signals a communication problem between the central control board and the motor drive. It might also point to issues with the dispenser or water inlet valves. Essentially, your washer is having trouble talking to its parts, which prevents it from completing cycles. Now, let's talk about the common causes. This error often stems from loose wiring connections, a faulty control board, or even a clogged dispenser. Other culprits could include sensor malfunctions or problems with the drive motor itself. The good news is that many of these can be fixed with some basic troubleshooting at home. To start troubleshooting, begin with the basics. Unplug your washer from the power source for at least 1 minute to perform a hard reset. This can clear temporary glitches. Once it's reset, plug it back in and run a test cycle. If the error persists, check for any visible loose wires or connections behind the control panel, but remember, always unplug the machine first for safety. Next, inspect the dispenser drawer for any blockages or residue that might be interfering with the washer's operations. Clean it thoroughly if needed. Also, examine the water inlet hoses for kinks or blockages, as these can contribute to the issue. If you're comfortable, you might want to test the control board with a multimeter, but if electronics aren't your thing, it's okay to skip that. If none of these steps work, it might be time to call in a professional technician. They can diagnose deeper issues like a defective motor or control board replacement. To prevent this error in the future, make sure to maintain your washer regularly, clean the dispenser, check hoses periodically, and avoid overloading the machine. There you have it, folks. We've covered the essentials of the Maytag F28 error code. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Wash on. Word count: 385.